Students, today we shall start next chapter. We are not afraid to die if we can all be together. This chapter is written by Gordon Cook and Alan East. Gordon Cook was one of the Canadian sailors. He participated and got position in many Olympic Games. He was born on December 3rd, 1978. His father's name was Stephen Cook and mother was Linda Cook. So far as Alan East is concerned, he was a solicitor in 2003, but later on, leaving that profession, he joined the Coventry University and at the position of senior lecturer in law. Now, the chapter, first paragraph. In this lesson, you will see if anyone is full of courage, if anyone is full of bravery, if anyone is determined, if anyone has the perseverance, then unitedly one can face the challenge of death also. In July 1976, my wife Mary, son Jonathan and daughter Susanna and I set sail from Plymouth. There are three characters. Narrator's wife Mary, his son Jonathan and daughter Susanna. Three more characters except narrator. There are total four. Narrator's wife Mary, his son Jonathan, whose age was 6 years, and his daughter Susan, whose age was 7 years. So they started their journey in 1976. Set sail means started journey. So all the four have started their journey. All of the family, total family, husband, wife, his son and daughter. They started their journey from Plymouth in July 1976. And Plymouth is located in England. Why for? What was the reason of that journey? To duplicate the round to the world voyage made 2000 years earlier. 2000 years ago, 2 centuries ago, there was one of the sailors whose name was Captain James Cook. So he went on a journey in the ocean and took a round, the world voyage. Voyage means journey in the ocean. So he took the round of the world in the sea 200 years before 1976. So it means Captain James Cook went on a journey in 1776. So for the longest time, Mary and I, a 37-year-old businessman, had dreamed of sailing in the wake of the famous explorer, and for the past 16 years we had spent all our leisure time honing our seafaring skills in the British waters. So for the longest time, Mary and I, both of them, narrator and his wife. Who is Mary? Wife of narrator. So narrator and his wife, both of them, for the longest journey they have started. 37-year-old businessman. He was a businessman, his age was 37 years. Had dreamed of sailing in the wake of the famous explorer. They had one of the dream of sailing to go sailing in the ocean in the wake of the famous explorer. Who was the famous explorer? Captain James Cook. After completion of 200 years of his journey on the wake of the famous explorer, and for the past 16 years we had spent all our leisure time. For last 16 years, both of them, husband and wife, had passed their free time, leisure means free time, honing our seafaring, sharpening their sea journey. Honing means sharpening their sea journey skills in British waters in the ocean of Britain. Waters means ocean, sea. In the ocean of Britain, they have spent 16 years free time for the sea voyage. I think these lines are clear. Now note down the questions. Who did set sail round the world first and when? Next question. What was the dream of the captain and his wife? Third question. Find a word from the passage which means started on the sea journey. And next, sharpening. Thank you.